Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a GIF photo to your website in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, visit sites.google.com. Then click on the website you want to add your GIF or GIF photo on. This is my website in Google Sites, and to add your GIF your GIF photo, click on Images from this Insert tab. Then select Upload or Select. If you already have your GIF photo on Google Drive, go with Select. If the GIF photo is on your computer, go with Upload. This is my GIF photo. Double click it, and it will be uploaded here. You can still place it where you want it to be. For example, here you can resize it this way. Let's crop it, and you can adjust the photo size when you want to return it to its original. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. You can adjust the photo size when you want to return it to its original size. Just click on uncrop like that. Now let's publish this change and view my published site. And this is my GIF photo. This is how to add a GIF or GIF photo to your website in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.